guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are reacting to Jessica. So this is her official music video for Beep Beep. Let's go.
Beep Beep.
Do you think it's gonna be a car in it?
Well, I doubt it, but
Okay. Ooh.
she's giving fashion for you.
She's my kind of girly. So we're getting fashion, we're getting cake, we're getting glam, pink. Ooh, and we're wearing pink. Perfect timing today too. Ooh, this is totally my vibe.
I see that.
This is like me getting ready and I'm listening to those.
Okay.
Beep beep. Voice is so cute. It's like so fun and so cute.
It is very fun. Yeah. Did you hear what she said?
She said, well, what part are you talking about?
Right now, what she just said right now.
Now I'm having a brain fart.
Can we do what lovers do?
Oh. Ooh, ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh, I need to hold on to my waistline. Hold on to the baseline. Oh, I like her play on words, and I love her already. I love her, guys. I already know.
That's a new
I already know, guys. Just send it the recommendations. Just let me know.
For Jess.
Miss Jessica. I like she does a little bit of movement, she gives some pose, she gives some cuteness. That's my kind of girl. Ooh. So is she part of like a group or she's only an individual? Because
that I don't know, guys. Is she part
Jessica.
of the group?
That's the first time we're having like a solo artist.
It's not.
Jessica.
We had Jessie.
Oh, Jessica. Wow.
Yeah, we had Jessie.
The Jess are taking over.
Yeah, the Jesses.
Yeah.
The Jesses, yeah.
What happened to Jessie?
Nothing.
Nothing? I want to know if she dropped something new.
She didn't.
Oh. You see what happens? Now we're on to Jessica. Let's go. But I think she's like perfect like for a lot of girls in Korea. Like I love her style. It's so femme, so fresh, like the ballerina. This is a girl. This is a girly girl.
She's very femme, yeah, for sure.
Oh, she's gonna rap for us too. Okay, she's versatile. I like that. This outfit, the one with the red rose, I would so wear. Oh my god, she has good looks. Yes, this look, me. Guys, you don't know how happy I am to see a music video with cake in it. That just always makes my day.
It's interesting that the dancers are males.
Yes.
She's all of. Basically, she's trying to say, "Oh, these guys want me."
Yes.
Okay. Beep beep. Beep beep.
This is gonna be so catchy. I love it.
It is catchy. Oh wait, she has female dancers too. I didn't notice them before. Never mind. Oh my god. I was gonna say interesting room, all pink. What were you gonna say?
Oh no, I had a funny thought in my head. It's like cotton candy wall.
Oh yeah, I can see that. Yes, it does look like cotton candy a little bit.
Yeah. this is like her style in other songs too as well. So I'm curious. I can't wait to react to more from her. I also want to see her go a little bit like edgier too. I would love to see that too.
Okay.
When did this drop?
Today,
and you guys getting it today. Oh, that's amazing. So I can't wait to react to her previous works. Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Yeah, the chorus is definitely catchy. I already remember it like 2 minutes into the song. It's
I was
catchy.
ready to do it even in the future, and I don't even know it's coming yet.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, that was a new drop from Jessica called Beep Beep. But of course, guys, send in the recommendations. I want to react to more from Jessica, so leave it down in the comments down below. If you made it this far, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the fam, and as always, share as much kindness as possible. Bye, guys.